How's it going, you guys? So welcome back to Unorthodox Savings. If you're noticing the red everywhere, I just got back from the beach and I'm burnt. So you're not gonna see me a lot because I'm going to show you step by step on how to buy Labra coin. The reason why I'm showing you step by step is I got tons of comments and DMs asking me questions on how to buy it. So I want to make a very short video explaining how to do this very easily without any nonsense. Also, on May 25th, Labra coin's coming out what's called the Bark event. I don't know anything about it because there's no details announced yet, but my personal prediction is probably that they're going to announce that them and Wall Street Bets are doing the pump for the next 120 days, which is essentially just big TikTokers, YouTubers, and Discord admins are just going to keep talking about this coin, promoting it to try to get the price up, which is pretty common when you see these type of cryptocurrencies. And for full transparency, I hold billions of coins myself, so my opinion is very positive on this coin. And I'm not a financial advisor. This is what I'm doing myself personally. If you want to know what I'm doing in real time, I have a free Discord down below, and I'll never try to sell you guys anything. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. Okay, first things first, you're going to need the Coinbase app, the metamask app, and then the website CoinGecko, specifically Labra coin on CoinGecko, because you're going to copy the wallet address from there. If you don't have that copied, you will get the wrong coin and your money could possibly go somewhere it's not supposed to be. The first thing you're going to need to do is buy Ethereum from the Coinbase app, which I've already done because I purchased this coin, so I only have a few dollars in there, but I'll show you exactly what you need to do. First thing you need to do is click on Ethereum, and then you're going to scroll down to the blue button where it says trade, hit trade, buy Ethereum with cash, and just buy whatever amount you're comfortable with. And then while that is happening and you're waiting for the Ethereum to hit the account, you're going to go ahead and open up your metamask wallet. Now that your metamask wallet is open, it won't look exactly like mine because I already have the coin set up, but you're going to hit that Ethereum button, then hit the receive button where you'll see the URL code at the bottom. You're going to hit that button where it says copy. Once you hit that, you'll see public address, copy to clipboard, and once you see that, you're good to go, and you're going to open up the Coinbase wallet once again. Once you open up the Coinbase app, you're going to see that your Ethereum is already in your account and ready to be traded. Once you see that, and if it's not there, it will pop up eventually. Sometimes it takes a little bit depending on what the markets are doing. You're going to hit the blue button in the middle where you see the two arrows pointing either direction, and you're going to hit send crypto to another wallet. Once you do that, I don't have any Ethereum purchase at the moment. I have a few Cardano coins in my wallet. So for this instance, whether it's Ethereum or whatever coin you're using, you're going to hit max if you want to send the full amount. If not, send the specific amount you're willing to buy, and then hit continue. Skip through all that stuff. It's going to ask you to share it with family, friends, whoever to get more money onto the app. And once you see the select recipient screen, you're going to hit the 2 and then just paste the address right then and there, and it will send all the Ethereum you have chosen to your MetaMask wallet. Now, just an FYI, this can take a little bit of time. I've seen it take about 5 minutes to get into the wallet and all the way up to a couple hours to get into the wallet. It's very dependent on what the coin and app and everything is doing. So just be patient. Don't worry, your money's not gone. The first time I bought this coin, it actually took me about an hour to get my money in the wallet. And the second time I bought it, it actually took around a few minutes. So it kind of varies per person. So while you're waiting, go ahead and open Safari or whatever internet app you have and just type in CoinGecko Labra Finance. And then once you hit search, it'll pop up almost immediately right there, and then the little icon will be literally a green gecko. And once you click on that, you're going to scroll down and you're going to see where it says contract right below the coin price, and you're going to hit the 2 pieces of paper, which is just to copy it to your phone, and you're going to see a green check mark. That means it's copied, and then you're going to go ahead and open up your MetaMask wallet. Now, doing that step correctly is very important because that's the correct address to the coin, and if you want to see the coin in your wallet and make sure you're sending the money to the right place, that is a crucial step for you. Once you open up the MetaMask wallet, you're going to go ahead and hit add tokens. When the add token screen pops up, you're going to switch over where it says custom token, and then you're going to go ahead and just hit the paste button where it says token address. When you're done, the token symbol should pop up as Labra, and the token of precision should come up as a number 9. If not, just manually add it yourself. And then once the token's added to the screen, you're going to go ahead and see what's on my screen there, which is like the little textile bubble, and then where it says Labra coin. At this point in time, everything should be good to go. The coin should be added to your wallet, and you should have the Ethereum bought. Now is the time where you actually have to buy the physical Labra coin. So on the MetaMask app, you're going to hit the button in the top left-hand corner where it says the 3 lines, and you're going to hit the browser button right above where it says wallet. Once you're there, you should see the URL screen right here, and just type in Uniswap, just as I'm doing there, and it should pop up as a little unicorn. And then once that's loaded up, I've already had the website loaded up. If it doesn't work, just click on the Unit app website and then just hit use Uniswap, and it should pop up as the same screen you see on my phone right now. So once they're on the screen, Ethereum should be selected, and once it's selected, just hit the max button wherever amount you're comfortable putting in. Then hit select token, and you're gonna search and type in Labra manually, where you'll see Labra with a little slash through at the bottom. Once you click on there, it should pop up as basically there's no coin existing, which is a good thing because it's what it does for everybody. But right below that, you're gonna see in a pink bar saying no liquidity, click to trade with volume 2. You're just gonna go ahead and hit that, which should be allowing you to swap the coin, or you're going to hit the swap button, and then I'll tell you everything you need to know, such as the slippage percentage. You should set the slippage percentage above 10%, and then just adjust it until it allows you to be able to trade it. Sometimes you can go lower, sometimes you can go higher, but it's depending on how volatile the coin's being, who's buying more, if it's selling, or if it's not trading, if anything is just going sideways. You may be able to get away with a lower percentage fee for slippage, so go ahead and play around with that until you're comfortable with what you're willing to bet. Once that's done, you're gonna go ahead and hit confirm swap, and for me, it won't happen because I don't have enough Ethereum in my account to be able to perform this transaction, but it should be able to have the screen pop up telling you that this is good to go, and you should be able to swap a coin, and it should take about a minute or two to pop up into your account. Going back, if you don't know how to change the slippage percentage or anything like that, right where you're on the screen where it says swap, you're gonna hit the little settings button in the top right corner here, and then you should adjust your tolerance. For me, if it says at 10%, your little like yellowish orange tab below that saying that your transaction may be front run, that is good. That means that the coin's gonna be able to be bought and the transaction go through, and you should have no problems at all. And once that's adjusted, you can go ahead and hit swap, try it again by hitting confirm swap. And for me, I don't have enough Ethereum because of the fees, where you see the bottom there is this total amount. That's how much I need, and I only have $10 in my account because I used all my Ethereum to buy the coin previously. But once you have the price adjusted, the transaction should go through in about a minute or two. It should pop up in your account. So once it's in your account and you're ready to sell, literally just do what I did, but just swap it around. We're putting Labra first and Ethereum in the bottom, and you should just convert it back to Ethereum, and you can send it back to your Coinbase wallet and cash out and just take your money and go. There will be the traditional fees you see on different platforms. You should just be aware of that before you sell. And this coin is very volatile. It goes up hundreds of percents and drops 100% in a day. So just be prepared for any type of swings in the short term. So if you're a long-term investor, you don't really have much to worry about, but just be prepared for just about anything, because I've seen it all as of now. If you have any questions on how to buy this coin, I will answer in the comments below. If you want to get answers faster, join the Discord. There's other people in there who have bought the coin who are more than willing to help. And if anything goes wrong, you have any questions like that, just feel free to reach out on anything, whether it's social media here. I'll be more than happy to help you guys. I really do appreciate all your support. I'll be coming out with another video on how to make money during a market crash, where I'll actually teach you real ways to make money and not just tell you to invest in yourself. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.